Travis, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Sir, thank you for keeping those lines of communication open on the emails. I know we've been back and forth today a little bit. You're hunting that deal on this specific Honda I have in my inventory. This is stock number 191641 2019 Honda Accord 2.0 turbo engine touring model. It's got everything you could possibly want. It's got your LEDs up front. You got your nice chrome accents throughout. The Tourings have their own signature package. It's the only vehicle that I have from the Accord line that's going to have the 360-degree sensors on this vehicle. You got the blind spot monitors. You've got the Honda Sensing Suite of driver assist features standard across the board. You're also going to have plush luxury leather interior. It's top rated 100%. Dual power seats on both sides, a 12-way adjustable on the driver's side, 2-position memory seating. This specific model that you selected also has push-button transmission. It's going to have in-dash Garmin-based navigation. It's the only Honda Accord offered with a heads-up display. I mean, you got rear heated seats, climate-controlled seats in the front as well as your heated seats. It's got rear AC vents, class-leading headroom, legroom. The fuel economy is great. You're not sacrificing power to obtain over 30 miles a gallon on the highway. And I'm sure you've done a lot of research on this vehicle in and of itself. So just wanted to touch base with you, show you that I still do have the car. I really wanted to try to work this thing out so you can make it up this weekend and we can take care of your purchase. Based on everything you're telling me, I think we're going to be really close. I am attaching some pricing information along with this video for you as well. So you can contact me direct, Travis, at 205-504-2358, and you can reach me there by phone or text. And I make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.